Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know, anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got that potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session.
Eureka!
This one is called Genie. Guys, Genie is a world first patent-pending machine learning predictive platform distributed on a DPoS blockchain. As a quick comparison, unlike IBM's Watson, which is AI for businesses, Microsoft Azure, which is cloud computing service, or Spark, which is an open source unified analytics engine for large-scale data processing, with Genie's decentralized tech, guys, there is no controlling machine learning manager cluster and no data lake. Circumventing the data lake drawback of legacy ML leaves Genie less open to cyber attacks, guys, by malicious actors seeking to access the data or carry false data injection attacks. You can well imagine what sort of skewed machine learning predictions could emerge from data that has fallen prey to a false data injection attack. They have a little video on their website here, guys. I want to play that for you just so we could get a better grasp of what they're all about.
The internet is still growing at 1 million users a day and continues to transform the face of business and communication worldwide. This incredible swell of interconnectivity has resulted in a flood of data about all our behavior and actions online. For companies and non-profits, this data carries tremendous opportunity. Sitting in your company's historical data are patterns that can predict your next top seller, identify which district you need to canvass in order to win your election, or which routes are being overfished and are in danger of collapsing. Identifying these patterns within hundreds of variables and even millions of data points is too complex for the human mind. Tasks of this complexity require machine learning, ML. Most ML service providers require you to share your data, which adds an extra security risk, and they come with a hefty price tag. This style of service feels outdated. The Internet 3.0 demands efficiency, democracy, and security. So we set out to provide ML in a better way. That's how we came up with Genie. Genie is the world's first decentralized machine learning system. We built a best-in-class ML platform and then broke it into small pieces, small enough to fit on an individual node on a blockchain. Like a real brain, it functions best when given a specific problem to solve. With Genie, you can build your own apps to solve specific business questions, or simply plug and play with one of our ready-made solutions. Genie's platform evolution is orientated to developers. We will provide an ever-growing selection of tools that will use ML to transform historical and future data into actions that can detect fraud, optimize supply chains, and help grow communities. Our mission is to provide powerful, secure machine learning services built to power the next generation of networks that are evolving with blockchain. Programming ML is hard. We make it easy by providing plug-and-play tools designed for the most in-demand ML functions. Powerful ML data analytics is expensive. We make it affordable by only charging users for what they use and never any service charges. Trust in industries is in short supply. We make it trustless by providing your access to our tools so you can implement them as you want without sharing your data. Let's bring up an example. This retailer has millions of monthly transactions and several years of historic data. Management would like to secure customer data by moving it onto a blockchain, but also improve customer engagement by sending tailored reward coupons to customers. With Genie, Xmart customers will receive custom recommendations for promotions based on individual customer history. Recommendations will evolve with individual and group patterns, allowing Xmart to engage their community in a relevant and cost-effective way. Xmart pays no monthly service fee to Genie, only a usage fee dependent on how many recommendations it utilizes. Furthermore, their data never leaves its private chain, remains completely secure, and its customers enjoy more relevant, higher quality, less frequent communication. So now that you know what Genie does, let's look at our timeline for deployment. This spring, Genie released its first sample core code on GitHub, as well as several demos that allowed users to test the first ever ML blockchain code. Our next major milestone is the release of Genie Center, our main blockchain this fall. Until then, we will regularly release new exciting demos on Genie's capabilities. Join the conversation on our Telegram and Twitter, and we're excited to see what you can build with Genie.
Great video by the Genie team, guys. I really like how they explain their project for us to understand. It's clear that we can all benefit from it. When we look at some of the things that the Genie platform provides to its users, the ability to harness the power of a blockchain technology that is secure and scalable, a launchpad for your own cryptographic tokens, decentralized applications, and sidechain projects. They have access to their commercial grade machine learning directly on chain to realize the true potential of your data as well, guys. The Genie data place. This is a better way to share, invest in, and monetize high-quality data and ML. Moving on to the meat and potatoes of today's video, guys. The Genie mainnet is now live and running smoothly. This is the link right here, guys. It's genie.io, and Genie mainnet is live. After over 10,000 hours of testnet testing and improvement, the Genie team is truly excited to announce that founding delegates are migrating successfully. The Genie Swapgate is live. Genie mainnet is operating at full power. Their vision of opening new pathways for decentralized machine learning is coming to pass, and Genie is taking an industry which traditionally relied on siloed information towards opening up opportunities for secured collaboration and the democratization of ML to users of all sizes. During Genie's mainnet launch week, this blog post will be updated constantly to include links to press coverage of their launch, YouTube reviews of their mainnet launch, official Genie statements and press releases, exciting exchange news, tutorials for their Swapgate, and why and how to use it. More press coverage can be seen on Crypto Potato, guys, one of my favorite crypto news outlets, Bitcoin Insider, AOX Crypto News, Crypto Ninjas, Bitcoin's hotspots for crypto news, Bitcoin Street Journal, and the list goes on. My fellow YouTuber Crypto Wendy also did a video on the mainnet launch. She did a great job in this video, guys. I encourage you to check that out on your own time if it's something that you're interested in. Give Crypto Wendy a subscribe button as well. Her channel is really good, providing users with a lot of information about projects that they should know. Now, when we examine some of the notes for the Genie Swapgate, the Genie Swapgate is an in-wallet functionality that allows you to seamlessly bind and swap your Genie ERC20 tokens into Genie mainnet tokens. Additional functionalities will be added in the coming weeks to interconnect all of the Genie trading and functionality environments. Below, guys, is a clickable graphic that details the Swapgate environment and function, and there's also a downloadable tutorial on how to operate the Swapgate. This is something I would definitely recommend spending some time on to understand, guys. Their ecosystem is not overly complicated, but it is there for you to understand. So I would suggest taking advantage of these resources they provide and check it out, do some learning. The next thing I want to touch on today, guys, is the fact that they've added a Pancakeswap listing and a Sushiswap listing to their collection of exchanges hosted on the token. This one here, guys, is the article regarding the pancake trading. The article title is Genie Pancake Trading and Genie BSC Swapgate Integration Announcement. This was published on March 8th, guys, and it reads, Genie is the world's first machine learning predictive platform distributed on the blockchain. We believe that machine learning can be a force for good for solving the world's most pressing problems, but it needs to be accessible, cost-effective, and secure. These core values permeate all of Genie's enhancements and marketplace decisions, and with them in mind, they are happy to announce the listing of the Genie token on the Binance decentralized exchange known as Pancakeswap. This extremely popular decentralized exchange platform is known for secure trading, guys, low fees, and enhanced user experiences. Trading started on the 8th of March, guys. How do you trade your Genie on Pancakeswap? Well, currently, guys, Genie is on the BEP20 network and is pooled with BUSD and Binance USD token. You can use this token to purchase Genie via Pancakeswap. You go to this website right here, select the token by pasting their address, and then from there, guys, you're going to connect your MetaMask, do all of that, add your network settings, the symbols, block explorer, etc. Add your Genie token. Once you're at Swapgate, as part of the innovative token ecosystem, users this week will be able to move Genie ERC20 tokens to Genie mainnet via their wallet in Swapgate with MetaMask support. Sliding over to the Sushiswap announcement, guys. This was 5 days ago, and the announcement reads, Genie is the world's first machine learning predictive platform. They explain what it is again. Then they go on to explain, unlike a traditional centralized exchange, Sushiswap is a community-oriented platform where its users provide liquidity. In return, guys, they get rewarded with Sushi tokens, which can then be exchanged for ETH. Sushiswap describes itself as an improved and community-friendly Uniswap. Trading for this, guys, commences on March 12th, which has already happened. And if you're wondering how to trade your Genie on Sushiswap, it's very easy. You visit Sushiswap. From there, you're going to select your token. You're going to put in the contract address. We have screenshot directions here, which is very helpful. Add it to our list. Once we have it in our list, we're going to go to CoinGecko and select that. Select Genie from there, from the search, and we're done. Moving on, guys. Genie has had coverage in the Forbes. Huge news media outlet, guys. They demonstrated how Genie's blockchain technology can be used to deliver a secure collaborative platform for machine learning, data capture, and analysis. This was in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic, guys. So the article titled, How Decentralization Could Alleviate Data Biases in Artificial Intelligence. They start off explaining the COVID-19 outbreak has affected so many people around the world, guys. And then they talk about the app development, how positive AI could bring that impact that everyone's looking for. Further down in the article, guys, they mention Genie as well as all the benefits of Genie. I would definitely encourage you guys to check out this article for more increased learning. It is quite a long article, as you see, guys, but it is definitely worth it. In conclusion, guys, you can purchase the Genie token as either an ERC20 token or a BEP20 token. You will be able to convert either token type to the Genie Mainnet token and back again once the Genie team rolls out the full functionality of their in-swap-gate function. All of this without inflating the overall existing Genie token count. Swaps are one-to-one, guys. This will allow you to access a huge variety of trading and utility options. Diagram explaining how the Genie ERC20 and Genie BEP20 and Genie Mainnet tokens work will be shown, guys. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Group hug. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me and drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. See you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.